Can I set a custom message for my away status?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a question we often get asked. Can I set a custom message for my away status? The short answer is yes, and in this video, we'll take a detailed look at how to do it, step by step.
Why would you want to customize your away status?
Before we get into the how, let's briefly discuss the why. Customizing your away status can be a great way to communicate specific details to your team or colleagues. It could be anything from indicating that you're in a meeting, working remotely, on a lunch break, or even on vacation. This helps manage expectations and provides transparency about your availability.
Where to find your away status settings?
Customizing your away status often involves going into your profile or account settings, where you'll typically find an option to set or edit your status. This location will differ depending on the specific platform you're using, like Slack, Teams, Discord, etc., but generally, it will be somewhere in your user profile or settings.
How to set a custom away message?
Now for the main event, setting your custom away message. Once you've located the correct setting, there should be an option to input a custom message or select from a preset list of options. Simply select the option to write a custom message and input whatever you'd like your status to say. Then, confirm or save your changes. Remember, keep your away status professional and succinct. It should clearly communicate your availability without going into unnecessary detail. And that's it. That's how you can set a custom message for your away status. Now you can keep your team informed about your status in a more personal and detailed way. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy customizing!